Hey, I am Arjan Boeve and I will be teaching you how you can create geeky stained glass yourself. As your online teacher and fellow geeky creator, I love to create video-inspired geeky stained glass with you. Many video games are part of my childhood memories and maybe also yours. And I just love to be able to give them space in our physical world. As the stained glass geek, I wanted to learn how to work with glass as well and also as fast as possible. So I invented some efficient ways to work with glass. I started to create my own patterns that I could create within a day, so the next day I could repeat my process. By repeating this process for almost every day for the past 5 years, my hands now know how to score the glass, wrap the copper foil and follow the lines of a design. I also got to share my love for video games through online meeting with many more geeks, artsy and crafty friends. This is a connection based on the same childhood memories we might have, even though we are from very different countries. This to me is one of the greatest things about being stained glass geek. The fact that we are able to meet one another and make a connection even though we might be worlds apart. Looking back, I worked on some great projects that led up to this moment. I think the Mickey Mouse art piece I have done for the Mickey 90 celebration was a key moment for me. It challenged me to create a bigger art piece, working together with a carpenter who could create the framing I envisioned. This brought me towards bigger and more artistic projects. The last of them being Real Boys, which shows Pinocchio with Nike Max 90s. As a stained glass geek, I kind of work all the time. In the mornings I'm creating patterns, I'm creating new designs, I'm running the web shop, but I try to keep my weekends as free as much as possible to be able to play some video games myself, spend time with my family so I can recharge.